Hi, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to present you the update of Tagmate application. So let's start with the website. So on website, all the text Tagmate is updated to the capital letter. As you can see that all Tagmate is updated to capital letter, and you can see that all the round edges are updated as rectangular. As you can see that here and here, and then you can see that the image is also updated. And the next thing is the social media icon is also updated. So this is the update for website. Now let's move into the application dashboard. So as you ask for the none option, so this option is also implemented. Let me show you how it's working. So I've searched for tagmate test. Here is the result set, and let's say I accept this one, and it goes to accept tag. And here you can see that we have the none option. If I click on reject and goes to reject part, so you can see that here as well we have none option. So if you click on none, then uh, this Instagram post is going to be in none section, as you can see that here. So this is how the none part is working. So the next part is about display screen. So now I'm going to present you all the sliders one by one. So as in the meeting, you have like these sliders. So I'm gonna show you one by one. So this is the first slider that you have liked. This
So
one.
yeah, let's start again.
So let me show you this
So
slider in the application.
Slider number 5. The transition in here is the best one.
Okay.
Yeah,
As
transition in
you
here.
say, this transition is best one. So let's jump into the display screen section. And this is slider number 5, and here I open the slider, and you can see that this is the slider, that one of the slider that you have liked. So we have updated this. You can see that it's the transition is working fine. The next slider, let me go back to the video.
One. So if we can transition of them are not so good as is the number 5. Okay. I can't remember the yeah. I thought this is gonna look better, to be honest. Like maybe if the whole design of this would be done better, maybe it would be good then. But now, I like the transition as well. You know, the transition of this one is also good. Like once we see the transition that it slides over, it's also very. So anything basically that goes from left to right.
Yes, and the next slider that you liked is with the transition from left to right. So now let me show you these sliders. So I select the slider number 1 and click on view page, and you can see that this slider has a transition from left to right, and this is the view of that slider, as you can see that. So you can see the transition is working. Similarly, we have slider number 2. Let me show you this as well. As you can see that the transition works from left to right. So this is about that slider. And then the next slider is from left to right transition is slider number 6. Let me show you this one as well. You can see that this is a new one, a different with a different layout, and its transition is same from left to right. Okay, now let's go to next slider, and let's open your video again. So the next slider that you have
this one
like
shown
is
here.
this one.
This one is really cool. I really thought about it a lot. The only problem I have with it, where, let me show you what I mean.
So as you talk about what we can put in the right side section, so let me show you the slider and how we have updated this. Let me show you. You can see that on the left side we have the images, and on right side we have put a section with a QR code. So this is about this slider, and here we have the logo Tagmate, and here is the hashtag. So this is how this slider is updated. And now other than that, we have two more sliders, like template number 4. Let me show you. This is one of those that you have liked. Let me show you this slider. You can see that, and in this slider we have reduced the transition